Have you ever looked around and thought, everything's falling apart and I feel powerless? The planet's heating up faster than we imagined. Millions still go hungry every day. Misinformation spreads like wildfire, making us distrust even the truth. And despite all our efforts, it sometimes feels like we are losing the battle. I remember scrolling through the news one night. Devastating floods in Pakistan washed away entire villages. Wildfires raged through California, leaving families homeless. And on my phone, scary news about AI-generated fake videos fooling millions. I froze, not out of fear, but helplessness. And then a headline caught my eye: artificial intelligence could save us. It sounded like science fiction. But what if, just what if, there is a grain of truth? That's the story I want to share. Imagine you live in a small farming village in Kenya. For 2 years, the rains failed, crops withered. You had no warning, no plan, you lost your livelihood. But recently, AI-powered weather models have started predicting droughts months in advance. In 2022, farmers using AI forecast in Kenya planted drought-resistant seeds and saved their crops and their lives. This is not magic, it's math and data. AI crunching through mountains of climate info we can't process alone. Across the world, AI is quietly transforming lives. In India, AI tools help doctors detect tuberculosis faster than ever before, saving thousands of lives yearly. In Brazil's Amazon rainforest, AI analyzes satellite images every day to spot illegal logging in real time, helping activists protect millions of acres. In Syria, AI-powered apps are translating education materials for displaced children who have no access to schools. AI is not just tech, it's a lifeline. But AI is not just a hero. In 2023, a manipulated video showed a global leader declaring war. It looked so real that markets plunged, causing billions in losses even before the truth came out. It was an AI-generated deepfake. Or consider misinformation campaigns powered by AI bots, swing elections, and stirring unrest worldwide. AI doesn't have a conscience. It's a mirror reflecting human intentions. It can detect cancer early or create fake news that divides us. It depends on how we choose to use it. Yet there's a hope. In Bangladesh, an AI-powered flood prediction system has saved over 500 lives in the past 2 years alone by alerting communities days ahead. Kenyan students in remote areas are learning through AI chatbots, overcoming school closures and teacher shortages. In the United States, AI algorithms help emergency responders predict opioid overdose spikes, allowing timely intervention and saving thousands. And deep in the Amazon, AI listens to the sounds of forests, detecting chainsaws and trucks to stop illegal logging in real time. These are not futuristic ideas, they are happening real time right now. But AI can't solve every problem. It won't erase greed or corruption. It can't force politicians to do what's right. It can't stop wars we choose to start. Sometimes the biggest obstacles are human, and AI doesn't have a heart. Not yet. So what about 2025? Will AI cure cancer? Probably not. But it could help diagnose it earlier and save millions. Will AI stop climate change? No, but it can improve forecasts, help farmers adopt, and guide better policies. Will AI give everyone education? Not fully, but tools exist today that bring learning to millions without schools. 2025 is not far away, and AI's role is not to be miracle cure. It's a powerful tool in our hands. The truth is, AI is not magic. It's not here to save us. It's a flashlight illuminating the path. But we must walk the road. If we stay curious, stay awake, stay human, then maybe we can solve the world's biggest problems with AI. Not because of AI. AI is not the hero here. You are. AI can analyze data, but you choose the purpose. AI can generate words, but you choose the message. AI can make suggestions, but you choose the kind of world you want. So the next time someone asks, can AI fix the world? Look them in the eye and say, only if we let it help us, and only if we never stop being human.